Greetings, class. I hope you all had a wonderful week. We are now moving into week number 3 already of Student Success Strategies. To summarize week number 2, we took a look at the online resources that are available to you as an online CSP student. I was just reviewing the discussion board postings that you all have been doing, and I'm happy that you're finding some value in the assignments, particularly the scavenger hunt, where you're taking a deeper dive into Blackboard and really discovering the online resources that are available to you, particularly the degree audit. That is very helpful if you should really keep track of that because that really has your whole program outlined from start to finish. So please keep up on that. That will be very helpful for you in order for you to finish your program here at Concordia. Second, the online tutoring services. Please take some time to look into that a little bit deeper. Many students have appreciated the online writing lab that we have available, and that is empowered through BrainFuse. So if you do have a paper that you want someone to review, you can review that, upload it, and someone will get back to you with some suggestions within 24 to 48 hours. And again, we've received positive feedback from our students just about the ease and the convenience of that resource. In addition, the other main theme that I heard in the discussion board postings was around career services. And career services is wonderful. They have assessments, they have interview tips, they have resume review, and this is a service that is available to you as a current student, but then also after you graduate and become an alum. So that is what we learned in week number 2. So moving into week number 3, I'm excited that you will all start reading The Energy Bus because I think you are going to, or I hope you are all going to really enjoy reading that book. It is one of my favorites. And then you'll also be learning about APA and then plagiarism. Those aren't necessarily exciting topics, but APA and plagiarism, that is, you'll want to become familiar with that because that will be very useful to you as you continue on with your courses here at Concordia. All right, moving on to week number 3, course outcomes. By the end of this week, then, you'll be able to locate APA resources, recognize APA formatting rules, define plagiarism, and identify ways to avoid plagiarism. APA overview, again, you'll learn more about these in the tutorial, but it shows users how to structure and format their work, recommends ways to reduce biased language, identifies how to avoid charges in plagiarism, shows how to cite references in text. So for this week, then, your activities, read pages 1 through 32 in the Energy Bus. You'll also have 2 discussion board questions that are due this week. One has to do with the Energy Bus and comparing yourself to a George or a Joy. And then the second discussion board question is more of a check-in about the resources that you've learned about so far in the course. And then you'll want to take the 2 tutorials that are listed here. So it's plagiarism and academic honesty, and then the tutorial on APA. And then there are also 2 quizzes for each of those. So a plagiarism quiz and an APA quiz. And those are the assignments then for week number 3. The quote of the week for this week: our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time, by Thomas Edison. So I hope you all have a fabulous week. I hope you are enjoying the class and your other classes here at CSP. If you do have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm always available to help. Have a great week. See you online.